Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat friends not appearing or adding issue on your iPhone. Let's get started. For secure internet connection, Snapchat needs a strong and stable connection to add friends or load your friend list. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh your network. Next, refresh your friend list. Swipe down on the friend screen in your Snapchat to refresh it. Sometimes your friend don't appear until the list updates. Next, check for pending friend request. First, open the Snapchat on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on your Add Friend section at the top right and see if there is any pending request. If someone hasn't accepted it, they won't appear in your friend list. After that, close and reopen the Snapchat. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and swipe away the Snapchat to close it completely. Wait a few seconds, then open the app again. Then update the Snapchat. Open the app source of your Snapchat and tap Update if available. Update often fixes bugs that affects friend list. And that's it. This step should fix Snapchat friends not appearing or adding issues on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.